What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to connect AnyDesk to another device. Now first thing you should do is to open your AnyDesk on your desktop, then go to these lines right here, main menu, click on it, then click on settings. After that go to access, then click on set password, then type your password, then confirm it. After that choose from permission profile, choose full access, then click on apply. Now after that I'm gonna use my phone and go to new session, then I'm gonna connect my phone to my desktop by typing in this address. Now as you can see, I'm connected through my phone to the desktop. Then I'm gonna choose login automatically from now on, then click on OK. And now here, as you can see, I have to type in the password that I have typed before on my desktop, and this is in order to log in automatically and get the full access on my PC. Then I'm gonna click on OK. And now here, as you can see, I have the full access on my PC. Now I'm using the phone in order to control my PC. Now I'm gonna click on disconnect. And now I can also go back and click on connect in order to connect automatically. As you can see, now I'm connected again. And now I can also use my mouse again. Now I can also go back and try to open my AnyDesk on my phone again. Then click on this icon right here and I will be connected automatically without doing the same steps again. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.